My name is Hai, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of EVA Commerce. We are an integrated AI platform, 3PL services, and reimbursement services for Amazon sellers as well as agencies. Today, more than 50 agencies work with us, and they are very happy. Now, I would like to show you what you can do with EVA platform. And also, I'll talk about the other services that you can white label or we can work as partners. So first of all, there are a couple of things you can achieve with EVA. EVA gives you the accurate profits. And in order to do that, the customers yourself enter the cost information. And based on that, we are able to show you expenses, COGS, net profits, and advertising costs at the store level, at the daily sales level, as well as at the product level. You can see that our user interface is very intuitive. Everybody likes it. We spend a lot of time with the user interface to make sure that you have the best experience. You have the organic sales, advertising sales, ACOS and TACOS, which you can compare any current period with the previous period. And you can also see the last 12 months of sales performance. You can also see that there is the year-on-year sales data because we are able to get 24 months of data from Amazon. The critical thing about EVA is we are very precise on what we show, whether it's at the product level, daily sales level, whether it's the refunds, the expenses, revenues. That's where we spend most of our time. There is a lot of tools, 95% correct. With EVA, you can get your profits at 99.9% correct. Now, what else you will get is a state view, a sales order heat map, which can help you with your Google or Facebook strategies, as well as the inventory storage fees and the inventory monitoring that is done on the executive dashboard. So the executive dashboard is just the first dashboard that can help you with with everything, like, just to give it to you like in a nutshell, all the information. You can have multiple stores connected and you can switch easily from one store to another. By the way, EVA is available in every single Amazon store. So starting from US, Canada, Mexico, to European, as well as the Asian Amazon stores, you can connect any of them. Another very interesting one, I love it really, that you can see every single day what's going on with the profit and FBA sales and FBM sales. The data is almost real time. So on the Seller Central, you don't have that view of like the real time data, but with EVA, you can even watch what's going on Amazon, who is buying. Why it's important? On a Prime Day, you can easily watch what's going on from the EVA platform. The most important dashboard that I really love is the product dashboard. The product dashboard is the one that you can see everything at the product level. So, for example, for this product, you can see now the FBA, active, new, whatever it is, and then what's the SKU sales and the total spending. One of the things that I would like to highlight, especially for the agencies, kind of working on variation strategies, we are able to show you what is the SKU sales from this advertising, like from the advertising on this product, and what are the attributed sales. Because what you click and purchase defines the ACOS and all the advertising sales. But maybe people clicked but didn't purchase the same product. but purchased another variation. So it can be quite helpful to understand what is the SKU sales versus what is the attribute sales. And you can even go deeper because we provide you a lot of reports, and you can whatever report we send to you as an agency, you can use your own BI tool to play with that too, because we are kind of like rationalizing the data for you. And one of the dashboards that I really love at the product level, we show you what's going on every day with advertising sales, organic sales, profits, and units. Every single report, you can also have a weekly view, not just the daily view, because probably you're having conversations with your customers every week, so you don't need to show them the daily view. Again, it's all exportable data. And if I click to a single week, then I would be seeing like what happened during that week. A very detailed dashboard is about the total sessions, page view, units, BSR, and you can even see the unit session percentage, which is much better or more a bit of a holistic view compared to CTR and CVR alone. You can also see like key performance metrics like ROI, ACOS, margin, TACOS, and ROAS, as well as the inventory management stuff like what's available, what are the reimbursement amounts, total refunds, and everything. I love this dashboard, and I'm pretty sure that you will love it too. So it's not just about analytics when we talk about EVA platform. It also has the prescriptive analytics component, which means that our artificial intelligence engine will provide you the best next actions. Now, one of them is pricing. It's an area that pretty much nobody is really focusing that much because most of the focus is on advertising. But what you can do with EVA is, you can, first of all, you see here at the product level, how many units are available in transit, inbound. If you are using EVA 3PLs, you can even have a visibility of the real-time 3PL inventory, which is very interesting. Now, as an agency, you can also immediately tomorrow have a full world like an America-wide 3PL network immediately just by using EVA. So EVA has 3 warehouses strategically located, and it will help you, to serve Amazon as well as direct to consumer, other marketplaces, even retailers. So with that pricing management, like you can easily calculate the optimal minimum price or the sales price. And that one you can do by, entering the cost information and, define a minimum margin or ROI. What happens now is like based on at TACOS, based on any type of product cost, the system will immediately, again, real-time calculates what should be the price for this product. Very powerful. Now, once you know what should be the product minimum price, you can also add a sale price. You can have a dynamic pricing working for this product. What it means is, for example, as the demand is increasing, we may increase the prices to maximize the profits. As the inventory is maybe, decreasing and going down certain threshold, what we can do is we can increase the price, right? So AI is looking into the last 12 months of data and ensures that there is a best price for tomorrow. And it's not only looking at the sales data, but also looking at the inventory levels and also looking into advertising. So that's very powerful when it comes to dynamic pricing, especially if you are working with like high velocity selling items. Then dynamic pricing can easily increase your profits by 15 to 25%. Great news for your customers. We have the full advertising suite, so where we show you every single detail of what's going on with your campaigns, and what's the automation status, the targeted ACOS, and all that stuff. And you can filter that too. So the way that we work with the agencies is we provide, like, Eva Ads is the name of the software, which optimizes the bids. It's inventory aware, need to brand customers aware, it's repeat customer aware, it's profit aware, tacos aware, ACOS aware. So again, you can see that the biggest differentiator of Eva is we are able to combine both pricing, advertising, and inventory into one single platform. Everything is integrated. It's the single platform that is developed by our own R&D team, right? So it's very different than a bunch of tools not working together. And in terms of advertising, we can provide you the service, and white labeling the PPC service can be a great option for you as well. Now let's come to the reimbursements. Reimbursements is super important part of our agency plans, where we look at the last 18 months, 26 categories, starting from inbound shipments to warehouse problems to customer returns to FBA measurement related issues. So we are able to provide everything for your customers in terms of refunds. The cost to you, because it's a commodity service, I wouldn't invest into it. It's just about how much you pay for it. We recover either more or equal compared to any other reimbursement provider, and nobody can claim that they do much more because they have another case or something like that. It's all lies, guys. What is important here is we have the analytics, again, the best user interface where you can see what Eva reimbursed and how quickly we reimburse. Our reimbursement rates are 99%. Our people are not in Philippines or Pakistan. They are all in Amazon countries. And we do a great job here. How much you pay as an agency? 11% of successful recoveries and nothing else. Now, when you pay 11%, you can charge 15 to 20% like the other competitors. So you don't need your customers, you don't need to hand it over to somebody else who is actually making money from marketing your customer data. So that's a kind of a very important case. Maybe kind of like the last two things. Number one, replenishment forecasting. For example, like in this particular case, the customer has 3 products, and I can basically do a one-click simulation of the replenishment. And here you go. That's the way that we can do it. And immediately the system will say, tell me how many units to replenish. It's much more accurate than anything else that is available. Even, on Amazon Seller Central, how it works. So maybe a last thing, a lot of people, well, I said last two things, but then I realized that we also have the support, because that always agencies ask for it. We have the support for the vendor management. So you can connect your vendor account to vendor management and see all the POs I mean, all types of information relevant to the vendor management. And also, in terms of integrations, we can integrate pricing, inventory with Shopify and Walmart. Pricing is interesting because, as you know, if your Amazon prices are different than Walmart, it creates a synchronization problem, suppressing buybacks. So that's available. We can also do the 3PL for you. If we are your 3PL for your customers, we can provide the D2C or retail distribution. Then inventory management, in terms of inventory management, we can synchronize the whole inventory as well. So I know it's a little bit long, but the key point is once you have the EVA platform, you have you have the full visibility of the profit analytics and the AI-based decisions on the inventory, pricing, advertising. You can also extend that with very convenient reimbursement services at the lowest cost. And on top of that, you can also have 3PL services. So thank you very much. If anytime, you can reach out to me. My name is Hai, and my email is hai.mag@eva.guru, eva.guru. So thank you for listening and watching me.